Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today topic is how to install and configure Zimplit CMS on Fedora 34. CMS means content management system. It is the software used to manage the digital content. Zimplit is the easiest content management system ever made. Zimplit is extremely lightweight, simple and customizable. Prerequisites: Apache web server, PHP and its modules. Now I'm going to check my OS version. Use this command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install Zimplit CMS package by using wget command. Press enter. After installation, I'm going to unzip downloaded package. Press enter. And then I'm going to move this package to this location. And then I'm going to give owner name and group name to this directory. And give permission to this directory. Then I'm going to open hosting configuration file for CMS Zimplit. Then create this configuration for hosting, then save and exit. And then I'm going to open host entry file. Enter your IP address and domain name here. Then save and exit. Now I'm going to move the Zimplit PHP package to this location for index.php. Press enter and restart Apache systemctl restart httpd. Then go to the browser. Enter your domain name here. See, Zimplit is open. Enter username, password. Enter mail ID. And then start. Click here and click OK. See, Zimplit page is loaded. This is menu section. Zimplit CMS is successfully installed and configured Fedora 34. Subscribe to Linux Help channel. If you want more video, visit our www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.